Jabra already makes great truly wireless earbuds in the form of the Jabra Elite Sport, which feature plenty of sports functions including an ear heart rate monitor. The company follows those up with two new truly wireless models, the Elite 65 tons and Elite Active 65 tons. Both include Amazon Alexa support. The Jabra Elite 65 tons will cost £149.99 and release mid-January. The Elite Active 65 tons will cost £169.99 and release early April. Where sport was, not surprisingly, the focus of the Jabra Elite Sport, it's really about voice when it comes to the company's latest offerings. The headphones embrace a similar design to the Elite Sport to secure themselves in your ears. The big difference is a slight protrusion that points towards your ears, which contains the new microphones. Unlike the Elite Sport, the Elite 65 tons will be available in three colors: titanium black, copper black, and gold beige. The difference between the Elite 65 tons and the Elite Active 65 tons is that the latter will feature an IP56 rating for sweat and include an accelerometer for fitness tracking via the Jabra Sport Life app. The Elite Active 65 tons will also have a special coating to make them more secure in your ears for exercise, and will be available in copper blue and copper red color options. Both models will support Amazon Alexa on the go, so you'll be able to ask the digital assistant everything you ask of an Amazon Echo device. If your paired phone has internet connection, then you'll even be able to control smart home devices using your headphones. The Elite 65 tons and Elite Active 65 tons will work with Siri on iOS devices and Google Assistant on Android, so you have a full roster of assistants at your disposal. You can expect 5 hours of battery life and an additional 10 hours from the charging case. I did notice that the case for the new headphones is more difficult to open than the one for the Jabra Elite Sport. It's bigger, too. First impressions. I was a big fan of the Jabra Elite Sport, but I'm excited at the prospect of having so many digital assistants at my disposal with these new headphones. I've never encountered any issues with Jabra's microphone quality in the past, so I'm expecting positive things from the 4 microphone array here. I'll have to test these out to be sure, so check back for a full review whenever I can get them in.